Hello and welcome to Mrs. D's Baking TV. Today we're going to make homemade granola. So for this recipe, make sure that you line a baking sheet with parchment paper. That way your granola bars won't stick to your pan. All of the ingredients for this recipe will be listed in the description box. The quantities won't be listed because I kind of winged it on this one. Here I'm placing my oats on my prepared baking sheet and I'm going to roast them for about 10 minutes at 350 degrees. Then, the glue to stick this granola together, we're going to take butter, brown sugar, and local honey. Simmer it on the stove just until all of the sugar and butter is well combined. Then we're going to take Rice Krispies and our roasted oats, add them to a bowl. I actually call this particular recipe a one bowl wonder because you're going to mix all of the ingredients in one bowl. Here I'm adding raisins, and anything else I could find in my pantry. You can add nuts, you can add pumpkin seeds, anything that you have when making granola. Do what you like. Then we're going to add our butter and brown sugar mixture to our bowl, making sure that it's evenly distributed. Mixing it well. And then we're going to add it to our prepared pan, making sure that we evenly distribute all of our granola mixture into our prepared baking. Now here, I took a separate pan and placed it on top of my granola mixture because I was trying to press it down to make sure that it would all stick together. Then I added white chocolate. Not my favorite. I like dark chocolate. But since I'm making these for my husband, I use white chocolate chips this day. Now we're going to set these granola bars to the side for about 1 hour in order to make sure that they stick together. Now here you'll see I added a little extra honey because my granola bars weren't sticking together properly. But that kind of made it too sweet, but that did not stop us from devouring every single morsel of these granola bars. And the final step, take a knife and cut them into the shapes and sizes that you desire. Now, I took these granola bars and I wrapped them in plastic wrap and placed them in an airtight container, and they lasted for about 3.5 weeks. I even had enough to share with my neighbors. Thank you so much for watching today and watching all of my videos. Thank you to all of my new subscribers and all of my returning subscribers. Make sure that you like, bake, and comment. Thank you so much. Join me next time on Mrs. D's Baking TV. Be blessed. Bye.